Okay, now example number 7. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So we want two-digit numbers, means which numbers are divisible by 3. How many are there? That type of numbers. That is the question. That is the meaning of the given question. So first we write the two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. First we write those numbers. After that we'll take first term, common difference. Then we'll take last term. Last term is denoted by an. And what is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into d. By using that formula, just we find the value of n. Okay, that is the meaning of this question. Clear? Now coming to solution. The two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 or 12 is the first number. Two-digit number starts from 10. 10 or 11. Those are not divisible by 3, correct? 12 is divisible by 3, then 15, then 18, then 21, and so on. Last number is 99. Okay, now we find the value of n. For that we can use an formula, nth term formula. For that first term and common difference both are required, right? So just write here a equal to first term. So how to write this one? That is 12. Now coming to d. What is that? Common difference. So how to find common difference? Second term minus first term. Second term is 15 minus first term is 12. Difference is 3. Now an equal to what is that last term? What is the last term here? 99. So an equal to 99 means what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d. So it is equal to 99. Now what is the value of a? That is 12. So n minus 1 into d value is 3 equal to 99. In next step, write 12 that side. Actually here it is positive. If you write that side we get negative, means minus. Clear? Now how to write it? N minus 1 into 3 equal to 99 minus 12. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. So 87. Now n minus 1 equal to 87 divided by 3. Now 3 2 is 6, right? 6 means 21 means 7 times. Now what is the value of n? 27 plus 1 equal to 28. Got it? So that is the value of n. That is the required value of the given question. So just I will give overview about this topic, this chapter within 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, means the definition and formulas. Which formula we have to apply for this? I will give all those formulas. In this is the first one, sequence. Generally, sequence will be taking A1, A2, A3, and so on, An, and again, and so on. So, same value can be written as set of An at n equal to 1 to infinite. Or same value can be represented by this symbol also. So, that is the meaning of sequence. So, if you take example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and etc. Clear? And coming to next one, arithmetic progression. So AP. So this is the standard formula, means general standard form or standard definition or general definition. A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D, again, and so on. So this is called arithmetic progression. So in this arithmetic progression, the first term is there, first term is A. So that is also known as first term only. And coming to D, this is called common difference. But how to find common difference? Generally, We can write second term minus first term. Second term is a plus d. First term is a. Both are gets cancelled. Then we get d. Same value can be written as like this also. Second term is denoted by a2. First term is denoted by a1. Or write third term minus second term. Or fourth term minus third term. So by using all those, we'll find common difference d. If common difference is equal, then we say that is arithmetic progression. Clear? And coming to next, I'll give one example for this. Suppose if you take 2, 4, 6, 8 and etc. So we have to check it either it is AP or not. Then how to verify that? If you take first two terms, what is the difference here? Difference, nothing but common difference. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 8 minus 6 equal to, what is that? How much it is? That is also equal to 2. What is the meaning of this? It is an AP. It is an arithmetic progression. But question is, how to find the nth term or general term of our given arithmetic progression? General term or nth term of AP. It is denoted by an and is defined by a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is unknown value. A is called first term, d is called common difference. And coming to next, sum of first n terms of an AP. So generally it is denoted by Sn and formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Same formula can be written as n by 2 into a plus l also. Why? Because here this 2a plus n minus 1 into d is there, na? That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So here it is denoted by l. So a plus l, n by 2 into n plus l. That is the formula for finding sum of first n terms of the given arithmetic program. Okay, now this is example number 8. Find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and etc. minus 62. So first we find n value. For that we'll take from first term like 10, 7, 4 and etc. So in that a equal to 10 first term, then we write common difference and we can take that last term an value, that is minus 62, and by using an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d formula, we find the value of n. After using that, means by using that n value, just we find the required 11th term from the last term of the given AP. Clear? And now first write given AP. What is that? Given AP are given that 10, 7, 4 and etc. minus 62. Now a equal to first term, right? How to write first term means that is 10. Now d equal to common difference. So this can be written as 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. And one more term is given. What is that? an, last term, right? So that is minus 62. Now an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for nth term or general term, right? Now what is the value of an here? Minus 62 na? And a equal to 10. n minus 1 into d value minus 3. Do one thing, write plus 10 this side. We get minus 10. Then how to write it? Minus 62 minus 10 equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. So this can be written as minus 72 divided by, right, minus 3 in this side. Then we get n minus 1 in right hand side. So minus minus gets cancelled. So 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, right? So n minus 1 equal to 24. What is the value of n? 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So there are 25 terms in the given AP. We want the 11th term from last, correct? So now I am writing here. There are 25 terms in the given AP. Now we find 11th term from the last term is, that is 15th term. So just mention here the 11th term from the last term will be 15th term. Got it? Now we find A15. How to write this one? A15 means A plus 14 into D. What is the value of A? A value is first term 10, then 14 into D means how much? Minus 3. So here 10 plus into minus minus 14 into 3 42. So 10 minus 42 equal to 32. Minus is there, na? Then minus 32. Why? Because 10 minus 42. 42 is the greater number, na? For that minus is there. Then we consider that minus. Then we get minus 32. So this is the 11th term of the given AP from last. Okay, means that is the value of A15. Okay, now example number 9. A sum of 1000 rupees is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years making use of this fact. So, first, by using that simple interest formula, we find interest at the end of first year, interest at the end of second year, interest at the end of third year, and so on. After finding that interest values, just we have to check it either those values forms an AP or not. If those values will form an AP, then again we find interest at the end of 30th year. Means A30. A30 means how to find that value? A plus n minus 1 into d. In that n equal to 30. Got it my point? So first we write the given data. What is the given data here? Given that P equal to how much it is? 1000 rupees. Clear? And R value, it is also in percentage. If you want, just write R percentage, that equal to 8%. That can be written as 8 by 100. And simple interest formula is there, na? Simple interest. What is that formula? I equal to PTR divided by 100. Now we find interest at the end of first year. Clear? How to write this one? I equal to, so this is the formula PTR by 100. P is 1000 rupees. T means 1. Then 8 divided by, what is that? 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. Then 10 into 80 is 80 rupees. It's over. Now second one, interest at the end of second year. So this is next. Again I equal to 1000 rupees. It is 2 into 8 divided by 100. Now again 2 zeros, right? So 2 into 8, 16 into 10 is 160 rupees. That is the next value. And then interest at the end of third year. So again I equal to, what is that? 1000. T value is 3 into 8 divided by 100. Again 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 10 is 240 rupees. So and so on. So these are the values of interest. Okay. And now have to check it either it is an AP or not. If it is not an AP, no need to find remaining values. Means second part is not required. So they mentioned here now find the interest at the end of 30 years. But if the values forms an AP, then only we find that. Clear? And now how to verify that? Now values are there now. What about the first value? So the interests at the end of each year, Then what is that first one? 80 rupees. Second one, 160 rupees. Third one, 240 rupees, and etc. Suppose if you take second term minus first term, directly I am writing that value. A2 minus A1. So 160 minus 80 equal to how much? 80. Again find A3 minus A2. So 240 minus 160, again it is also equal to 80 only. So here difference is same, nothing but common difference. Okay, common difference D is equal, then it is an AP. Clear? Okay, now this is the next step. Therefore, it is an AP. Now A equal to, what is that first term? What is that first term value? That is 80. And D equal to common difference, right? So this can be written as second term minus first term. Second term is 160, then minus 80 equal to 80. Okay. Now we find interest at the end of 30 years. That is year 30, right? So just write here interest at the end of 30 years, comma, year 30 equal to a plus 30 minus 1 into dinner, means a plus n minus 1 into d, where n equal to 30. Now a means how much it is? 80. 30 minus 1, 29. Again into 80. Now 29 into 80. So 8 9 is 72. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 7, 23. So 232, then 0. 2320. So it is 80 plus 2320, means 2320. Now add these two values. For this, just add 80 rupees. Okay. So now it is 0. So 10 means 4, 2. Then what is that answer? That is 2400 rupees. This is the answer. Okay. Now see this example number 10. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rose plants are there in the flower bed? Means just we find the value of n. For that we can use general term or nth term formula an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In that we find n value. Got it? But for that a value is required, d value is required, and the last term is also required. So by using the given data, then just we find the a value, d value, and an value. After that we have to substitute all those values in the standard formula or general formula. Then we find the value of n. Very simple question. But what is the first step here? The number of, what is that? Rose plants, right? Rose plants in first row, second row, third row, and so on, last row. So 23 are in first row, right? Then 21 are in second row, 19 are in third row, and 5 are in last row. That is the given data. Now we write a means first term, right? What is that first term here? 23. And coming to D, what is that common difference? Then what is the value of this? Means how to find common difference? Generally second term minus first term. So 21 minus 23 equal to minus 2. And one more value is also given. What is that? an. An means that is about the last term. What is that? That is equal to 5. And what is the formula here? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an means 5. A means 23 plus n minus 1 into d value is how much? That is minus 2. So write here minus 2. In next step, write 23 this side. That can be written as 5 minus 23 equal to minus 2 into n minus 1. Now I am writing here. So minus 2 into n minus 1 equal to 5 minus 23. What is the difference? Minus 18. So just write here minus 18. Now n minus 1 equal to minus 18 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancelled, 2 9 18, that is 9. Now we want n value, that can be written as 9 plus 1 equal to 10. That is the answer.